have activated the vending machine. Please state your selection clearly.
120.
No. Try something healthier.
136.
There isn't anything healthy in this machine. What are you most interested in?
That one.
Ah, that one. I'm gonna need 20 good jumping jacks.
Okay, right here?
Yes, right here, right now. Put down the bag, 20 good jumping jacks, and count them out loud.
Okay, 1, 2.
Can you jog in place for me? Put your hands up in the air. Wave them around as if you don't care. Spin around 3 times.
7, 8, 9.
I'll drop the snack if you drop and give me 20. Let's go, on the floor. I'm watching you and I'm counting. Have you got 18, 20, 30 more in you? 10 jumping jacks.
Nope.
Very well, 30 jumping jacks.
I don't even really want anything anymore.
No, wait, come back.